Ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us? Is it luck, hard work, or something else entirely? But here's the catch. It's not just about luck or having a great idea. So, we are exploring 6 secret signs pauses by a millionaire. The last sign is the most powerful sign of a millionaire. So, make sure to watch till the end, and please subscribe my channel. Number 1. You're a dreamer with a plan. Dreaming is the first step to achieving wealth. One of the first signs of future wealth is having big dreams paired with a solid plan. If you often find yourself envisioning your ideal future and taking steps to make it a reality, you're already thinking like a future millionaire. But remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Every great achievement starts with a dream. You're a dreamer with a plan, and wealth is within your reach. Number 2. You're curious and always learning. Successful people never stop learning. Investing in yourself is a major sign you'll become rich. Whether it's reading books, watching educational videos, taking courses, learning new skills, if you have a curious mind and a thirst for knowledge, you're investing in your own future success. Every dollar and every hour you invest in your personal growth can have a significant return on investment in your future wealth. And if you continuously invest in yourself, it could pay off big time. Number 3. You set clear goals and take action. Setting specific and clear goals is the key to success. Successful people set clear, specific financial goals. Think of your dream as your destination and your goals as the roadmap. Without clear goals, your dream of becoming rich can remain just that, a dream. Successful people are committed to their goals and dedicated to putting in the effort day in and day out. If you not only set goals, but also take consistent action towards them, whether it's saving a certain amount, starting a business, or investing, you're moving closer to financial abundance. Millionaires often set ambitious yet achievable goals and work tirelessly towards them. If you're someone who plans ahead and knows where you're headed, you're setting yourself up for success. Number 4. You're a problem solver. One of the key traits of millionaires is their ability to solve problems effectively. If you're a natural problem solver, you're already ahead of the game. The first step in problem solving is identifying the issue. Successful people are keen observers. They notice inefficiencies and gaps, and they ask the right questions to understand the root causes. Being able to pinpoint problems is the first sign that you have what it takes to find lucrative solutions. Whether it's in business or personal life, if you have the ability for finding solutions and making things better, you're on the right track to get success in life. Number 5. You embrace change. Successful individuals see change as an opportunity rather than a threat. They pivot, innovate, and evolve their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Embracing change isn't just about accepting it. It's about thriving in it, whether it's technological advancements, shifts in market dynamics, or personal growth. Embracing change means you're not afraid to step out of your comfort zone and explore new possibilities. The world is constantly evolving, and those who can adapt to new trends and technologies are better positioned to seize opportunities and grow their wealth. Number 6. You surround yourself with success. You often heard people saying that your network determines your net worth, but it is the real truth. Millionaires surround themselves with motivated, ambitious people who inspire and challenge them. If you're building a strong network and learning from successful individuals, you're likely on the right path to success. See, your environment plays a significant role in your success. If you surround yourself with supportive, positive people who inspire and motivate you to reach higher, you're setting yourself up for future success. Building a strong network is a key factor in achieving wealth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and support you. So, how many of these signs do you see in yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's inspire each other. Remember, recognizing these traits is just the beginning. It's your actions that will ultimately lead to success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep working hard, stay positive, and keep striving for your dreams. Subscribe for more inspiring content.